Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, open two apps in the background. I will go with Play Store and Internet. After that, click on this button over here, the left one, hold one of your apps and drag it to the tab. Let go and tap on the other one. And now, as you can see, I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!